Teddy, this is your big show.
No pressure.
Oof. First we'll stand up, show everybody our skills.
Wow.
Yeah, pretty good, huh?
Well, doesn't look as great as he normally does.
Now, let's see if you'll roll over.
Whoa! That was fast. Wait, do it again. Take him back.
Now he's stuck.
He looks like he can almost do it.
He's getting his arms up.
Whoa, Daddy!
Here, we'll do it again.
Yeah, do it again. That was too fast for this camera. We'll do an aerial.
Can you do it, bud? No, I'm done.
Hello. Hey, arms. You can do it.
He doesn't really like being on his stomach anyway.
Teddy, you're such a good roller over.
He wants to stand up.
Oh, I see. Oh, hello. Hello.
Whoa, Mr. Wobbles.
Hello. Hi. You're so cute, right? Yeah, such a big smile. Yeah, you're such a big boy now. Oh, how come you're so silly? Yeah. Oh, you didn't say the date.
It's the day after Thanksgiving, 2010.
His first Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Cutie Pie. Good job. We love you.